Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and today we're gonna take a very quick look on the LG Exhalt LTE or Wine LTE depending on your carrier. Before we go any further, if it was a decade ago, I would have been really angry at this phone. Firstly, there's no easy way to sync your contacts. There is no external display. The camera is horrible. It's in the bottom half, so there is a little parallax between the screen angle and the camera facing angle, and it doesn't even have a selfie cam. But just the mere fact that it's 2018 and it's one of the very few feature phone or the basic phone makes it a whole lot better actually. Compared to the other Android flip phones, this is a lot more to the feature phone as LG claims it to be. And the menu map over here is a lot easier to navigate. Everything is done by your keypad. You don't have to touch your screen because the screen doesn't register your touches. And accessing all the small number of features that it has is actually pretty easy. Calculator is really simple. Notepad does what it does. You press new and you have a little blank there. The timer, stopwatch, every features, wall clock, they are all very straightforward. It supports LTE and HD voice, so call quality is actually pretty good. If you want to, you can use the Wi-Fi network to surf the web or use it as a Wi-Fi hotspot. It does have a little web browser right there, so you can type in the address and move your cursor around to tap the little teeny tiny text over here and there. Needless to say, basic features are very easy to use. There's a calendar shortcut, there's a FM radio, there is a camera shortcut. You can press and hold on that button, side button right there. Although the camera quality, the photo quality, the 5 megapixels autofocus camera is terrible. You might not want to use it at all, unless it's an emergency. The photos you have taken could be shared via Bluetooth or MMS. And perhaps the best part about this phone is the extra long battery life. It's got replaceable 14, 17 milliamps of battery built inside, and it easily lasts up to 3 to 4 days. Well, mainly because there's really nothing much that you can do with this phone, unlike all the 2 million apps that you can use on your smartphone. And when you're done with that, you can use that standard micro USB port right there to charge it. And a little piece of good news is that it's got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right there. So if you want to enjoy your FM radio or some MP3 files on your phone, you can use that jack. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty generous on the LG Exhalt LTE or the Wine LTE. I think it's going to have a very narrow customer base or the demands. It's going to be either the elderly or the parents who do not want their kids to be addicted to the smartphone or who believe that their kids are not ready for the smartphones or the internet, like the full-scale internet, or somebody who needs a backup phone. So all of those three possible customer groups probably do not expect that much on their phones anyway. And it's easy to navigate, call quality is good, battery lasts long. So I guess there really isn't much of expectation in the first place. Still, I wish it had an external display right there. It would have been a tremendous help. And the camera quality could have been better. That's pretty much all the problems that I have. And yeah, that's a quick look on one of the very few basic phones available out there. You can get this on either Verizon or US Cellular, I believe, or more regional carriers. Anyway, if you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. This was LG Exhalt LTE. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.